Hi Unicorn friends, welcome back to my channel. Here we are up at Target. Jojo has some new cool stuff. We absolutely love her. Addie has those headphones, and check out this Jojo Slime. Don't you love that? This is one of the first times I'm seeing that, but maybe me and Addie need to try that out. And the Jojo Bow Maker, super cool. Oh, and Bath Bomb Spa Set. Hairstyling kit. We have some Party Pop Teenies. And the Puppies Poonicorns. These are super cute. And a random Jojo doll in there. And this is something I haven't seen before, the original Flip-A-Zoo. Those look really fun. And shimmeries. Oh my gosh, I love that. Alright, so in the LOL aisle, they just still have the Series 4 Wave 1 I Spy dolls. We have some Pearl Surprise. The I Spy pets. They are all out of the Under Wraps dolls. But I haven't seen one of these before yet. The pop-up store. So I found another end cap that has some of the Pearl Surprise and the Biggie pets. Some little live pets. Sparkle's my dancing unicorn. That's maybe my favorite. Cutie cars. Pick Me Pops. And here's the Style Series Pick Me Pop Surprise Mega Pack. Some surprise chicks, little live pets. Here's some more Jojo stuff. I'm really loving this Jojo Slime kit. I think me and Addie have to get that and try that out. Here's some more Season 2 Pick Me Pops. Push Me Pops. Hair Adorables. 36 dolls to collect. I heard those are really fun. Squishies, of course we love our squishies. And Num Nums. And what's this? I haven't seen these before. Snow Cone Snackables. And the Lost Kitties. Wow, and look at this. The Poopsie Surprise Unicorn. Magically Poop Slime. Poopsie Slime Surprise. And more Party Pop Teeny girls. And I haven't seen these before either. The Disney Adorables. Look at this cutie car. Play and display cupcake van. Ooh, I love this camper from the Happy Places, the Rainbow Beach. This must be the new collection from the Shopkins Happy Places Rainbow Beach. And of course the mini packs, which are very fun. Shoppy girls, Shoppy's little secrets. So these are really cute, the little secrets Shopkins. Picking Pack Small Mart. And Rainbow Kate's Bedroom Hideaway. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. I love Rainbow Kate. Look at her and her hair. She is adorable. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.